Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Rockwood, their part number RM752-4-716-630. This is a edge pull, is what it is. This is an edge pull that can be used, I suppose, on a sliding door, certainly on a swinging door. Okay. Let's dissect the part number. RM Rockwood Manufacturing 752. That means this is an edge pull. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can review the series of edge pulls from Rockwood, of which the RM752 is unique. That means when you look at that cut sheet page that it has a return, that it is for a square edge door, and the rod size can be specified along with the length. So this item is an RM752 with return square edge versus with return beveled edge. Be mindful of that. Versus no return square or beveled edge. It does matter. There'd be a little relief if it was a beveled edge, no return here. The -4, that's of course the height or the length, I suppose. Okay. The 716, that means that this is a hollow rod with a 7/16 diameter on that hollow rod. Let's take a closer look at that 7/16. And they can do different sizes on that material, or on that rod size. 7/16 is fairly common. My caliper is telling me 0.447. 0.447, so 7/16 is 0.4375. So this is really, really close to actually 7/16. So perfect job there. The 630, that means a couple of things. That means it's made of stainless steel, and that it is in a brushed satin finish. When you order this item, you get to specify all of those requirements. With or without return, beveled or square edge, the height, solid or hollow, and then the size of the rod. But also you have to tell us the door thickness. In this case, this item was ordered for a 2-inch door thickness, which is thicker than standard. And that's important because of the location of the holes that are going to get put into the edge of the door ultimately, which are at 1.5 inches. Okay, so this has an overall of about 2 7/8, but that's important where they're going to locate these two screws based on the door thickness. Okay. One screw in the edge. Those screws are indeed included. They are not magnetic. I don't know that they're stainless. It's possible they're brass because these are wood screws. They're flathead Phillips wood screws. So be mindful of the fact that these are a non-ferrous base material, and I don't know for sure if it's stainless, meaning it's possible that it could be stripped out. So pre-drill the holes properly, put it in with a screwdriver. If you're getting to a point where you're really turning too hard, you probably need to open that hole a little bit and then properly pre-drill the hole for the size. Be mindful of that. And the door thickness does need to be specified. It's a required option. So there's also a link not only to the product brochure, but the cut sheet as well, just what a tear sheet would look like out of the catalog. They do show standard lengths, being just stainless flat goods, bent and modified into size. It can be really ordered in any size that you need. Probably the longest I've seen done is maybe 18-inch, maybe 24-inch, I don't recall, but 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, and 6. That common size is a common range. And where would you use this? Well, someplace where you want your hardware to not overwhelm the look of the door, because you're not going to see much of this. You're just going to see that edge on the door. All of this, the entire edge, the entire side of it in the return, it's all concealed. So if you've got an installation where you want the hardware to be inconspicuous, somewhat disguised, present as small of a footprint on the overall look as possible, this could be a very good option for you. Rockwood has other options when it comes to edge pulls, even those that are more concealed than this. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Rockwood products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website as well as a link to the full product catalog. Now, I'm partial to Rockwood, and it's because of excellent fit and finish, excellent technical support, customer service, prompt, reliable, predictable shipping lead times, set a clock to them sort of stuff. Hopefully I've not jinxed us, but they are really predictable. They have a schedule, and they stick to it, which in construction, of course, is knowing when you're going to get stuff predictably and reliably is crucial. If you have any questions on the Rockwood RM752 edge pull in a 4-inch size or any other Rockwood product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.